Hey, this is my Siloli Gaon. That farm which you can see, that is my house. The long one, including my brother's cousins also, my father's cousins also. Hey, Sunny, tired? Just taking the shade. And this is our farm, all ours, and my dad's cousins also. It's quite big amount. And that is the opposite facing. That's the opposite facing part, mountain, and Sunny back again. This is how our Siloli looks. That is what Siloli Gaon is. My Siloli village. That Papa's school is also there. I guess that one. There front one which you can see. That one. And this is how the surroundings is in Pithoragarh, Siloli Gaon, village of mine. Chalo, I'll take you to the house soon. Chalpe, I showed you my town. And hey, I'm here. Bye, take care. Soon we'll show you something else more interesting. Until then, be together.